Peppa Pig gets grounded.
I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hurt me! Shut the hell up! Good.
Anything to get out of here. Peppa, I don't think there is anything you can do. But I'll think of something. The school fire alarm. That's it. When the fire alarm goes off, we get out of school early. What? Susie, stay right here. I've got a plan that will get us all out of school right now. Wait, what? Peppa, you're gonna fail. This is not gonna end well. Miss Gazelle. What, Peppa? Can I go to the toilet? Sure, 5 minutes. Go! I'm counting! Alright, there it is. Time to get out of school. Okay, everybody do not panic! Everybody do not panic! Everybody, let's just go, come on! Oh jeez, I left all my stuff in there! I just hope it doesn't all go on fire and burn down! Right, everybody, calm down, calm down! Everybody, right, everybody get in line. All classes get in line. I have to make sure nobody's still in there. Let's check if everybody's here. Oh yes, this is going exactly how I wanted it. All I have to do now is tell the entire school what she did, and then she'll get arrested by the police and I won't have to deal with her ever again. She will not see it coming. I'm about to give her a massive surprise. So, about that fire, well, there was no fire. Wait, what are you talking about? The alarm went off! Well, we're getting the police to investigate who might have put off the alarm. We're checking the fingerprints, is what we're trying to say. Oh, you don't have to do that. Oh, but I think we have to. I'm sorry. And whoever it is going to jail for a week. Wait, what? You look really suspicious, kid. Oh, don't worry, you guys. You guys don't have to. I'll tell you guys everything. No, come on, Susie. You don't want to tell him. Oh, but I think I do, Peppa. I think I do. But Susie, I thought we were friends. I thought you were going to keep it secret. You always keep these things secret between me and you and everyone else. Not this time. Hold on, Susie. You're scaring me. Why are you doing this? I've got you now! Ah! What's going on? What the heck are you doing here, Barry? What is this? Oh, I'll tell you what happened, Miss Gazelle. She told me everything she was gonna do. She was the one that set off the school fire alarm. Oh! Is that true, Peppa? No, yes it is! You didn't see me, dude. Oh, but you told me. And you admitted it to me as well. Did you pull off the school fire alarm? Did you? We have security cameras, so we will know the truth anyway. She told me everything. Yes. You do know that pulling off the school fire alarm is a serious crime. You know that, right? Wait, what? I didn't know that. It doesn't matter. You still committed it. Take it away.
The end.